In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ConvertKit. Let's start from your ConvertKit account dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, you'll see a tab labeled Grow. Click on Grow, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing forms and landing pages live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. On this page, look for the button that says Create New and click it. ConvertKit will now ask you how you want to gather subscribers. You'll see options such as forms and landing pages. For this tutorial, select Form. The page will reload and show you the different format options available for your form. You'll see inline, modal, slide-in, and sticky bar. Inline forms are designed to sit within your page content. So for this example, choose the inline option. Next, you'll be taken to a gallery of templates designed specifically for the format you selected. Take a moment to browse through these templates. You can click on each one to get a quick idea of its layout and style. When you've found a template that matches the look and feel you want, click the Choose button on that template's card. ConvertKit will then load the form editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a preview of your form in the center or on the left side of the screen. On the right side, there's a sidebar with your editing options. By default, this is usually set to General Styles. Here you can customize things like the background color, border radius, background image, and background transparency. Some templates may also give you access to custom CSS, so you can fine-tune the design to match your brand. To edit individual blocks in the form, simply click directly on the element in the preview. When you do that, the specific settings for that block will appear in the right-hand sidebar. If it's a text block, you can click on the text in the preview and type directly to change the wording. By default, this form includes only an email address field. If you'd like to capture additional information, such as a first or last name, click the plus icon located just below the email field. This will add a new field to the form. With that new field selected, use the sidebar to specify what type of field it should be. Choose the label that will appear to your subscribers, and decide whether it should be required or optional by checking the appropriate box. Once you're happy with the design, the fields, and the contents of your form, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save and Publish. This will save your changes and make your form ready to use on your website or landing pages.